Mom, please buy me this cat. It's about to die.
Can't you see that we are poor?
But it can dance.
All right, let's buy it.
All right, class, show me your dancing pets. The winner gets this magical cup with unlimited coffee. Henry, go first.
I brought Ballerina Cappuccino, the best dancer in Spain.
Ballerina Cappuccina. Me.
That's Spanish brain rot. You failed. Taylor, you're next.
Teacher, I brought a chicken and a dancing banana.
Chicken, banana.
That's so cute. You pass. Now, Billy, it's your turn.
My cat can dance like Michael Jackson.
What? It can't dance.
It can only dance if people like the video.